Hello again to Sailing with Jack. Welcome to Castle Neuschwanstein. We have traveled from Möllin, my hometown in Switzerland, to Hohenschwangau, the village. We're staying here at this little inn, a hotel. Look at these the way this is decorated. It's just so quaint and unique. We're just heading on our tour for the Neuschwanstein Castle, but first we walked from the parking lot all the way up to the castle. You can take a horse-drawn buggy ride up for the tour. So you can see in the distance there is Hohenschwangau Castle, where King Ludwig II grew up. The charming town of Fürsa, plus the beautiful lakes, the Alpsee, Schwanesee, and the Alps. So there's many other castles around there. I do recommend you book them online as soon as you know you're going into this area, because it's in high demand. So you can see Neuschwanstein Castle, the Fairytale of King Ludwig II, a romantic retreat inspired by Robert Wagner as well. He was quite instrumental in his life as well. We're here on the bridge Marienbrücke, which is a popular bridge offering iconic, stunning views of Neuschwanstein Castle. You can see it's this gorgeous, the Perched Gorge, which is quite the dramatic view, looking down and then up towards the castle Neuschwanstein, which you will also see when you're taking the tour inside the castle. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes, and we weren't allowed to take any videos in there for obvious reasons. But it's quite the view. And when you're on this bridge, actually they do have a guard there, so not everybody can just go on it, like where it's like full of tons of people, and it's, I guess the wait would be, that was one of my little questions, like how many people can go on this bridge, but it seems pretty full. But they do monitor that, and it's quite a lineup to get over this bridge. And you can go up on the top. You could see just a little bit higher up when you're on the other side of this bridge. If you have proper shoes, you can go actually higher up. We didn't have proper shoes and decided we're not going to do that. So but I guess it would be quite pretty, and you can see even higher up than most people will see. The look over the whole Bavarian Alps and the area there. So, and I'm telling you, there is so many castles in that area. You have, when you go online and you book this, the options to see all these castles, if you're there for a couple of days or a week, you can go one each day. There, it's quite pretty. I guess that's a Fürsa. So we're just heading over to the castle Neuschwanstein, looking around a bit, and then the next day we are actually going to Hohenschwangau Castle, where he was actually growing up. The view from the balcony at Neuschwanstein is just absolutely spectacular. This is actually the kitchen, and that's Neuschwanstein by night. We're back at the restaurant for breakfast the next morning. They have Hochlofe, and I just love these places here, and one has to be sitting in the king's chair, I guess. We're now at Hohenschwangau. The other castle the next day, just enjoying the outside grounds, the fountain, all the arches and the murals. Just it's spectacular. And then this is the Schwangau fountain. There's a lot of swans there, so they called this Schwangau Castle because this area was known for a lot of swans. It's just spectacular. I love these little terracotta edges and the things. And we're done. We're walking now down again towards the Schwanesee, Alpsee, and enjoying the rest of the day. So thank you very, very much for joining us again on this journey, and we hope to see you soon again. And let me know if you have gone to any of these castles and what you thought about it. It's a spectacular place. There is the horse-drawn buggy ride and tons of cuckoo's clock. So thank you again. Please follow and share. Join me again on our next journey.